Welcome back, viewers. Another controversy has jolted the INDIA bloc. This time, Congress's Northeast Delhi candidate Kanhaiya Kumar was assaulted during an election campaign in his constituency. The incident occurred outside the Aam Aadmi Party office as Kanhaiya Kumar left after meeting with AAP councillor Chhaya Sharma. He was thrashed reportedly by a few people who approached him under the pretext of garlanding him. They also threw ink on him and tried to allegedly assault him. The miscreants also allegedly misbehaved with the Aam Aadmi Party woman councillor Chhaya Sharma when she tried to intervene. She filed a police complaint over the incident, which took place near the Aam Aadmi Party office in Kartar Nagar. Sabyasachi joining us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, what's the latest as far as the police action in this case is concerned? It's a shocking incident to say the least. It's okay to disagree with someone, but never okay to assault anyone. Congress's candidate Kanhaiya Kumar assaulted during an election campaign.
Well, absolutely. See, it is absolutely not okay to attack somebody while they are campaigning. And at this particular moment, if you see that Kanhaiya Kumar, who was during his campaigning, was attacked by few unidentified men. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the Congress Party says that this particular attack has been orchestrated by the BJP. Now, today also, while Kanhaiya Kumar was holding a press conference regarding this, he straight away attacked Manoj Tiwari. He said that Manoj Tiwari is in fear that he's going to lose his seat, and that is the reason why he's trying different methods to attack Kanhaiya Kumar. But he said that he would not give up and he would continue to fight in his constituency. Meanwhile, the police, though they have registered the case, but they are still yet to catch the people who are behind this attack.
Well, absolutely. In fact, stay with us, Sabyasachi, because we are taking our viewers through the visuals and what we are showing them on their screens. The person, as you can see, viewers in the video, is the person who slapped Kanhaiya Kumar. In fact, in another video, this person says that Kanhaiya raised slogans to divide India, and that's why he slapped him. The accused, the person here, also claims that Kanhaiya supporters had attacked him. Listen to what he had to say.
जो भाजपा के लोग हैं उनको इस देश के संविधान में कोई भरोसा नहीं बचा है। 2 बार से बीजेपी के सांसद हैं यहाँ पर, वो बताएं कि 10 साल में उन्होंने क्या काम किया है। जब से कांग्रेस पार्टी की ओर से मुझे इंडिया अलायंस का प्रत्याशी बनाया गया है उत्तर पूर्वी दिल्ली से, लगातार झूठ बोल रहे हैं, डॉक्टर नकली वीडियो घुमा रहे हैं और आम लोगों को भड़काने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
So this was Kanhaiya Kumar, viewers, who had alleged that the attack was ordered by his rival contender Manoj Tiwari. We heard how Kanhaiya claimed that it was a sitting BJP MP who had attacked him, but at the same time, we'll also listen in now to the person who reportedly slapped Kanhaiya Kumar. Let's listen into what he had to say in his defense.
जिस कन्हैया लाल ने नारे लगाए थे कि भारत तेरे टुकड़े हो, अफजल तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं, हम शर्मिंदा हैं। दे दो भाई, सर फट चुका पूरा। दोनों भाइयों ने चांटे का जवाब दिया है और वहाँ बोल के मुंह पे स्याही फेंक कर मुंह पे चाटा दे के जवाब दिया है कि भारत के टुकड़े कोई नहीं कर सकता जब तक हमारे जैसे सनातनी शेर जिंदा है।
देश को तोड़ने की बात करता है, इसे दिल्ली में भी नहीं घुसने देंगे। ये भारत के सैनिकों को देशद्रोह वो बताता है, रेपिस्ट बताता है। इसका इलाज कर दिया है।
All right, and Sabyasachi is live with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, obviously there is a police and investigative angle which we have discussed, and there's a lot of politics also which is happening over the same. Kanhaiya Kumar has made a sensational claim. He and the Congress party are at the moment alleging that it was the BJP who had attacked Kanhaiya Kumar. In fact, they have dragged some big names from the BJP as well into this entire controversy. Take us through the allegations which have been made by Kanhaiya, and if at all there has been any reaction which has come from the side of the BJP.
Well, absolutely. See, first of all, Kanhaiya Kumar, along with the Aam Aadmi Party, has made a serious allegation against BJP, specifically the Northeast candidate from the BJP side, Manoj Tiwari. Now, Kanhaiya Kumar has said that these people who have attacked him were sent by Manoj Tiwari. BJP. And time and again, different tactics have been allegedly used by Manish Tiwari to target Kanhaiya Kumar in the Northeast constituency, as he was saying that several doctored videos of him are being spread by the BJP. See, on the other hand, the BJP has said that they have condemned this sort of attack. They feel that no attack should be carried out on any candidate who's campaigning in different areas. But what the BJP has said is that the people of the Northeast constituency are not happy with Kanhaiya Kumar, the kind of statements that he has made in the past. And Kanhaiya Kumar was also part of the alleged Tukre Tukre gang. And regarding that, a lot of the people from the area are not happy with Kanhaiya Kumar, and that is the reason why they vented out their anger. So this particular reasoning is coming from the BJP side, but they have condemned that no such attack should be carried out on any candidate, and they have said that it is very easy on the part of Aam Aadmi Party and Congress to blame everything on the BJP's head.
Right, and Sabir, since we are speaking about the BJP's reaction, we have a reaction coming in of RP Singh of the BJP. Just as you were telling us, the BJP has denied all.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।